G'day, here's a small parcel of pieces of Boulder Opal and one piece of Koroit there. Boulder Opal from central Queensland. Not sure exactly what field. The rules in millimetres, the material's been wetted. Start off with the Koroit piece. It's basically a nice pattern there. Not a lot of colour in it, bit of purples around here. Over this side there's some veins, which is quite often happens because it's basically layered or appears to be layered. You quite often get different formations, colours coming across here a little bit. So maybe grind this side down and have a look at that first before you decided to slice it or anything. This piece is crystal purple, runs around here underneath this. How far it goes, it's hard to tell. There's a seam here, needs to be ground down. Grind this off the top. Again, this is the top, grind that down, get to the colour. Stones possibly in here. This is probably the best piece amongst this little deal. As you can see, the opal comes around here, so this pyramid corner piece needs to be ground off. Reveal what you've got. Hopefully that'll be a nice stone for you. Some nice greeny blue sapphire through here, bit of pink right on the edge, which you'll lose that probably. Anyway, it is what it is. I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.